Level A2, Lesson 1. Multimedia. Biography of a Genius. Listen to a short text about the life of a well-known genius.
Albert Einstein was born in Ulm on March 14, 1879. Not long after, the Einstein family moved to Munich, where Albert first went to elementary school and then to grammar school. He was already very interested in science and mathematics. He didn't like lessons in grammar school, as teachers were strict and made him study hard. When he turned 15, he moved to Milan with his family. Later, he began to study in Zurich. He finished his studies in July 1900. He then moved to Bern and started to work at the patent office. In his free time, he worked in the area of theoretical physics. In 1905, he published many of his important scientific works. In 1903, he married Mileva, a girl he knew from college. 1 year later, Einstein's first son, Hans Albert, was born, and his second son, Edward, was born in 1910. In 1909, Albert became professor for theoretical physics at the University of Zurich. In 1914, Einstein went to Berlin to work. In the same year, World War I broke out. In 1919, Einstein separated from his wife Mileva and married Elsa. After a successful experiment in 1919, Einstein became famous overnight. He received invitations and honors from all over the world. Many magazines wrote stories about him. In 1921, he received the Nobel Prize for Physics. From 1933, Einstein and his family lived in Princeton, USA. In December 1936, Einstein's wife Elsa died. In 1939, World War II broke out. Einstein spent the last years of his life alone in Princeton. Albert Einstein died on April 18, 1955. He was 76 years old.